Then basebezala umama kaNimrod kwakuyiza Easter. Kwaseqanjwa lo mcimbi kwathiwa ngoba lento Easter egg iqhamuke eBabylon unina wezifebe. My people perish because of the lack of knowledge. Yithi ngintshela yonke lento yokukhonza amadlozi nokugqoka amabhruku yonke lento yaqhamuka eBabylon, the place of confusion. Ngoba uSathane thina kwi-Easter thina siya kwi-Passover. When I see the blood, I shall pass over.